Hi guys. What the I'm lagging. Hi guys. My friends just left me out in the group chat. So time to play this game. I'm so good at this. I completed this 20 times. I didn't show the video. I don't have a YouTube video then. Now I have now. So guys, time to. Oh wait, here's the fastest one. Join the group. No group. Whole passes. Whole passes. Whole passes. Whole passes. Whole passes. Mm. Sorry guys. Because I'm a little bit new, so I don't care. Whole passes. Whole passes. Boom. I want dreams. I want my dreams to come true. No. Whole passes, whole passes. Gap. Huh? What they eat leaders. They just broke up.
What's your head?
Skibidi dop dop. Skibidi dip dop 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 dop. Skibidi dop dop. Skibidi bidi 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 bidi. I don't know. No. Satu hatu. What the? Who spent 2,000 million on Animal Crossing? I love Russia. Not my friends or anything. I just love this.
What?
This is not just impossible. This is hardcore. This is hardcore. These small gaps, large gaps. Bro, I'm just almost there.
Like,